Hi yogis, thank you for joining me today. Today we're working with our lymphatic system and I have short yet beautiful kriya to open up the lymphatic system absolutely easily and powerfully. So let's start. First, we're gonna sit in the easy pose. We're gonna place our hands into V shape and we're starting to breathe with hands come up, one hand come down, we breathe in, other hand come down, we breathe out, and alternate these hands here. And we're breathing through the nose, in and out through the nose. And make sure you're going with the pace that is good for you today. You can start with a bit slower pace and you can pick it up as we go. So opening our lymphatic system is absolutely necessary to having a vital and happy, healthy body. We are opening the lymphatic system which means that the energy is moving all the way throughout the body, and hands are actually very tied to our digestive system, and when we are moving with the hands, then this means that the digestive system is getting detoxified as well. So a lot of exercises are going to be based on the hands movements today. Breathe in, squeeze your mubang, push this energy up. Very good. Breathe in and out. Now moving on. Again, moving with the hands, and we start to breathe in and out, and when the one time comes the left arm to the front, the other time the left arm goes to the back. When the hands are wide apart, we breathe in, and when they're on top of the head, we breathe out. And again, we can start to move with the faster pace as we move along this kriya. Breathe in, squeeze your mubang, and breathe out. Just witness this energy, this expansion in the upper body. Very good. Now moving on. We're placing our hands to the front and we start to move them, touch the backs of the shoulders. And we're breathing through the O-shaped mouth. We breathe in when the hands come out, and we breathe in when the hands come to the shoulders, and we breathe out when the hands come out. And now breathe in, squeeze your mubon, and breathe out. Hands come down to Jian Mudra. Very good. Now moving on, we're going to lie down on the ground and we're going to lift our legs up, and if possible, then take on to your big toes here, and if possible you can straighten your legs here. If not, then otherwise they can be relaxed, but if you can, then just straighten them here. And we're starting to breathe through with the open mouth here, really expanding the breath here, opening our mouth and breathing in and out with an open mouth, and making sure that the breath goes all the way to the back of the throat here. And make sure that you're going with the pace that is comfortable for you. We're really working with the lymph nerve here, and we're really working with bringing that energy from the lower part of the body through the lymph nerve all the way to our throat chakra here. Now breathe in, squeeze your mubon, and breathe out. Relax here for a moment. Very good. Now make sure you come up, roll yourself back up through the spine. And now we're going to the child pose, just to give ourselves this final grounding moment here. And in the child pose, make sure that your knees, that they are tucked together perfectly, because otherwise when we're leaving here space, then these internal organs and the digestive area does not get the benefit. So push your legs together and make sure that you're breathing through the belly. That way the internal organs are getting maximum massage as well. Very good. Now place your hands to the side and gently push yourself back up. Good. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this short but powerful lymphatic system opening. And if you wish, you can start to practice this beautiful kriya every day. That will give you a beautiful skin, a healthy glow, and just overall beautiful energy and vitality. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much.